how did men meet women forever? It was social circle. Just saying only Tinder works or only dating works or only social circle works is kind of dumb and almost like a marketing trick. If I would be only focused on making the most amount of money, I would create a texting guide and then heavily market that with like, these are the 100 lines that always get a response. Here's 7 fake testimonials of a dude who had a really bad dating life, but then he used my 100 lines that he copy pasted with his one finger, and now he's getting models. And then like some sales page that just tells.
This was John. He's 49. He had a terrible life, but now he's happy.
But the reality is, it's way more complex than that. It's a big thing, like attracting attractive women is obviously complex because everybody's trying to do it. Like we're playing on a game here that every man on the planet is like, yeah, I would like to be around a cool, sexy girl most of the time. It's not like golf where like 1% of the population is like, I love golf, and the other 99 is like,
I don't give a shit.
Like it's a thing that everybody's into, and we want to get good at it. My intention for you guys and the viewers is like, understanding there's more to it, and you go through different phases in life, and I've just talked about it. And the reason cold approach is like the next thing up the pyramid that I started explaining of like, love yourself, you know, like confidence, social freedom, and then approaching is like, well, we need to feed that social circle somehow. So I think the goal is actually having a cool social circle. It's not actually cold approach, because a cool social circle will bring you many things. It will bring you other male friends and collaborators, maybe business opportunities, which is really important as well. Like being the lone wolf who just gets laid once a week because he's so good at day game. We don't really want to be that as well. Right? You don't want to be 47 and all you did is like cold approach, date, lay, date, lay, date, lay, but you don't have any friends, you didn't build anything, you don't have like a tribe around you that respects you and that advises you and you can share stuff with. And then obviously the social circle, like I mentioned, like it automates stuff. You show up to things. Other people bring women in that you didn't even meet, and then you vibe with them. It brings you female friends. It brings you so much more than just cold approach. But the reality is also, we don't live in a tribe anymore that solves that problem for us. We grew up and we have high school or college or whatever, and that institution solves the social circle for us. Like, you know, I go to school and there will be 1,000 people. And with some of them I will vibe. Cool. And you don't have to do anything to do that. It's there. It's like, it's the building, I go there, social circle, check. Well, then you end school and you're not like, well, I'm in the Amish. That's what we call Amish people? Amish people. They also solve your social circle for you, because it's like you live in that village and you're not gonna leave it, and everybody dresses the same, and you're not on Instagram, which is great in a way for social circle, right? Like, you know, this is my hood, I live here, cool. Now we live in a world where we can move to Colombia, to Bali, where we can also easily survive without a tribe. And that's the problem, like we're surviving, but we're not thriving. Like, I don't know any dude who like loves being alone all the time, who loves not having friends or not having a social circle. So I feel like that is the biggest challenge now, is like artificially creating a social circle, when before it was done by an outside institution for us, or a tribe, or a school, or a community like Amish or whatever. Because we have the power, but also the responsibility to do that now. Because if we don't, yeah, we're just gonna be some software engineer behind the screen who just goes to the bar with the same dudes every week, and then gets some wife, and then, all right, kids are nice, and then could have been better. Cold approach is feeding the social circle. And then, that's why I said, some do seduction cold approaches to get laid, but to be honest, again, I don't care that much anymore now about that part. Like that, you have to go through that part at the beginning, it's important, you want to get laid a couple of times, but eventually it's like, cool, I'm meeting people to bring them into my life. I'm meeting a girl because I liked her, and then I'll bring her to a party, and then maybe I'll fuck her, and if not, it's also fine. Maybe my friend will have sex with her, you know? We're gonna establish these rules before the house party, but that's the more exciting future. Like, if you really think long term, it's like, wouldn't it be sick to be like 47, you know, maybe having kids or not, whatever you guys want, but like, I'm imagining like this house at the lake, and there's like children running around, and there's like my 7 cool bros, and they're all like having some company, or one guy's a really crazy sports guy, and he takes me to this climbing missions, and then there is this beautiful women around, and they're all like the wives of these dudes, and then One guy has 2 wives because he's wacky, but that's fun. That's like an exciting future for me. And I know, oh, next month we're going to Mongolia and we explore something there, and I have my 4 buddies and we take cool content and da-da-da. Like, that's what we're really working towards, you know, like long vision. So that's my intention, to establish that as a really long-term thing. That's why I'm doing the channel. That's why I'm starting Club 52, of like bringing these men together who have that same mission to do cool stuff. Okay, that's a bit of a rant, but is that exciting to you guys? Good.
The glue that keeps the cold approach level and the social circle together is your Instagram profile, is your social media presence. And that's why it's so important to have a good social media presence if you want to not only get good at cold approach, but also long-term build a social circle. I gave a whole presentation in this video about exactly that topic, where I go into detail how to build it and what you should look out for. So watch this video next if you want to build a good social media presence.